Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, February 9th, 2016. Well, folks, we're looking at financial stocks right now. I want to focus in on where they're going to go. Where is going to be the point where you can step up and buy these stocks? Where is it? All right, because let's be honest, they're in free fall. This is Bank of America. Don't look now, but Deutsche Bank, which is a European stock, is collapsing. Look at the daily chart on this. I mean, just, a year ago, this thing was essentially at 35 bucks, even less than that. I mean, this is the weekly chart. So if you're just going back to late last year, this thing was near $30. So, I mean, you have seen a massive collapse. I talked yesterday about the financial crisis 2.0, which is starting in Europe. These bank stocks in Europe are absolutely getting decimated, and you can see it right here on the weekly Deutsche Bank chart. But let's go back to the U.S. banks, folks. I want to focus in on some of these charts. Let's start with Goldman Sachs. Where is Goldman Sachs going to be a huge buying opportunity, where it's going to have a monstrous bounce? Very easy. See this pivot low on the weekly going back to 2010? And look at this pivot high right here in 2012, early 2012. Put a trend line right there. Look at that. Pivot high, pivot low right here, pivot high right here. That is where this stock is going. Goldman Sachs has another $18 or so down on it. Now, it might bounce before, but ultimately, within a month or so, this is going down to $130. At $130, this is a screaming buy. Probably bounces 15 to 20% from that point. Okay? So again, that is the level on Goldman. Now let's take a look at JP Morgan. Where's JP Morgan going? Well, right now it's at the weekly 200 moving average. I think eventually it's going to break through that. Where is it going to go? Very easy. Look at these pivot tops. 2009 high, 2010 high, 2011 high, 2012 high, right here. This is where it's going to go and test. Put a trend line right there. And ultimately, JPM, within, I would say, 2 to 3 months, is going to $47 to $48. At that point, these bank stocks screaming buy. When JPM gets there, that is a huge, huge level. All right, next let's take a look at Bank of America. Bank of America breaking down here. Where is this going to go? Right here, guys. Pivot high. Look at the consolidation right here. Consolidate, consolidate, broke out. It's going to retrace right into that point. That point, what level? The $10 even number. All right, so I just gave you the keys to the castle, the keys to the vault. You now know when these stocks get to these levels, they become great buying opportunities. Absolutely phenomenal buying opportunity. Before I step off, guys, I want to show you the track record that's third-party verified here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All I want you to do is on our homepage, under Free Market Action, here's our blog. Here's some other stuff, but ultimately Research Center track record right here. Click on it, and here's our track record. Look at this is just for 2016. Notice the year right here. You can go back and look at any past year. This is just 2016, net gain of 86.5%. As we always say, that's if you put all your money in one play. Let's just say you did 10% in each play. You're up 8.6% already this year, while most funds are down, while every good hedge fund is still underwater. We're killing it here. Look at the trades this year. 8%, 16, 10, 6, 9, with just one loser out there so far. All right? Come to InTheMoneyStocks.com, join the Research Center, take the free trial. Free trial's where it's at, guys. Come join us. Take care.